So our process now is if it's under 500 mailers, we mail through Pebble. If it's over 500, we go through Rocket Print, and we still upload our list and everything to Pebble, but we'll mail through Rocket Print. And let's see, oh, we do use, we're a guinea pig in our buddies cold calling startup. And so we load up our cold calling lists there as well. But that's also something that is new to us. Up until very recently, we've only done mail.
Have you seen enough with the cold calling and mailers to know conversion rates or numbers around that?
It's so tricky to understand. I think we would definitely say, I think most people would, that mail leads convert more often. But that's purchased from cold calling, which we just started pretty much in January.
Like
right,
the
Mary?
2 we closed on today were from cold calls, I believe.
Nice. Yeah, I think so mail people are taking some sort of initiative before you talk to them. They're seeing it and they're taking this big step to call back or contact you, which is filters them a bunch. Where cold calling, they might answer and they might passively say, yeah, I'm interested. And then you're, again, going to be probably outbound calling them. So yeah, there's definitely a natural filter there. So interesting. I'd love to hear how your cold calling goes as you continue to do that. What do you like about it versus mailers, or why did you add it?
Going on a really long holiday. And Mary had a busy month as well. And so we wanted to take a month off of mailing, and I didn't have time to prep it or do it, but I didn't want to drop the ball entirely. So we said, let's just keep moving the needle without us having me, because I didn't have time to get the mail out. So it was a little bit of a circumstance, but I think it's worth sticking with. We wouldn't do it entirely. I think any one marketing channel in isolation is risky, and it's always good to have multiple streams or income. That's true too. Multiple streams of marketing.
Yeah, there's something interesting about going on vacation. And if you're going to be gone for 4 months, there's this big push right before, and this has happened to me a lot of times, right before I go, it's okay, I need to get all these things nailed down so they can survive while I'm gone. And then it ends up improving my business. And so it's like, sometimes I think I need to go on vacation more so I can get some big changes, that's for sure.
And I think because it was new to us too, she was on vacation. Obviously, with the cold calls coming in, there's more leads. So I think we ended up being a little bit more busy than she probably would have liked for her vacation, because we get excited when we get a lead and we want to dive into it. And so I think it was fine, because obviously I could do what I needed to do. And basically, I'm just trying to get a hold of them again to make sure that they do want to sell, and then making sure that we actually are interested in the property. But it was funny. I'm like, we have 6 leads. And she's, oh, great, we're going scuba diving today or whatever. And it was like, oh, okay.